Hi! In front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can add video or music file to text message on this device. First of all, go into Messages app and tap on one of your chats. Then you need to click on this icon with a photo and a paper clip located at the bottom right corner. Now click on Audio and Videos filters at the top. Select one of your apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. When you're ready, click on the file that you wish to add, in my case this one. As you can see, after that, my audio file was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!